You don't know how many messages I've typed to you but never sent. So many nights I stare at my phone, writing everything my heart wanted to say, then deleting it before you could ever read it. I want to tell you how much I miss you, how much you still matter to me, and how much it hurt pretending that I was okay. But I stayed silent because I was afraid my words would mean nothing to you. Some feelings are easier to hide than to share. So those unsent messages remain, carrying the love, pain, and memories I never had the courage to send.
I'm not afraid to say it, I'll say it out loud. You mean everything to me, and I'm not coming down from that now. I miss you so much.